What's the highest mileage you've ever seen on a car that still had its original engine and its original transmission? And does it come anywhere close to the car I'm about to share with you? So this is my dad's car, and he's got 527,000 miles on it. Yes, the service engine soon light is on. It came on last week. He's got to change out the O2 sensor. What kind of car do you think this is? I'll give you a hint. He bought this in 2018, and it's not American. All right, and just to show you guys that this Auto isn't any crazy Photoshop nonsense, and that she's still running just fine, let's take her for a ride. All right, let's go. Yep, still says 527,000. So, what do y'all think that this is? So this car is a Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, baby.